Welcome to this comprehensive guide on calculating central tendency measures, mean, median, and mode, using the most powerful data manipulation library in Python, Pandas. In the world of data science, understanding the center of your data is the first step toward uncovering meaningful insights from raw information. Before we calculate anything, we need data. In Pandas, we typically work with a data frame, which is like a digital spreadsheet. You can create one from a Python dictionary, or more commonly, by loading a CSV file using pd.readcsv. Imagine we have a dataset representing the daily coffee consumption of a group of software developers. First, let's talk about the mean, or the arithmetic average. It is calculated by summing all values and dividing by the total count. In Pandas, this is as simple as calling the .mean method on a column. While the mean is great for symmetrical data, it is highly sensitive to outliers, extreme values that can pull the average away from the typical result. Next is the median. The median is the middle value when the data is sorted from smallest to largest. If you have an even number of observations, it is the average of the two middle numbers. We use .median in Pandas. The median is robust, meaning it isn't easily swayed by those extreme outliers we mentioned earlier, making it perfect for data like household incomes. The third pillar is the mode, the value that appears most frequently in our dataset. A dataset can have one mode, multiple modes, multimodal, or no mode at all if every value is unique. In Pandas, we use the .mode method. Note that .mode returns a series because there could be a tie for the most frequent value. Let's look at a practical coding example. To perform these operations, you first import Pandas as PD. You load your data, then select a specific column, let's say price, and apply the functions. Pandas handles missing values, NaN, automatically by excluding them from the calculation, ensuring your analysis remains accurate without manual cleaning. In summary, use the mean for general trends, the median to avoid outlier bias, and the mode for categorical data or finding the most popular atom. Mastering these basics in Pandas sets the foundation for advanced statistical modeling and machine learning. References: McKinney W., 2022, Python for Data Analysis, Data Wrangling with Pandas, NumPy, and Jupyter, O'Reilly Media. Gujarati D.N., 2021, Essentials of Econometrics, McGraw-Hill Education. Freed, J.E.N., 2013, Modern Elementary Statistics, Pearson.